Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, from wherever you are watching. This is an opportunity to answer some of the questions we've received over the years. For example, there's this particular question from one of our viewers who have viewed some of our videos. Okay, let me open it up. Yeah, this is Shaida. All right, so the question is how do you give opening stock quantity? And that means how do you impute your opening stock quantity? What we've done in our past videos is to look at how to create an item afresh. How do you create an inventory item, a service item? In the case of an inventory item, when you're creating it initially, you're creating it fresh, then you have to put in your initial quantity. Now, in a situation where you already have, at the point of setting up, you already have the quantity for your various products. So how do you do that? All right. Once you log into your XERO account, you click on business as usual. Then you go to product and services. Then it takes you to the product and services page. The product and services page. All right. Now, this is the page where you create your new item. You can see the new item menu right there. You click on that, and that is used to create a new item. Now, in this case, if you want to add your opening quantities, all you need to do is to go to this import button and click on the drop down. Now you can see items and opening balances. So you click on opening balances. So let me go back again. What you do at this point is that button, import item, that import button is used for two things. You either use it to import items into the software, that is bulk import via CSV Excel format, and also for opening balances. So I'm clicking on opening balances. Take note, I'm clicking on the opening balances menu. All right. Once this opens up, then you provide answers to the various questions there. What is the date of your opening balances? That is your cutoff date. All right. So today is 11. Now, if my financial year end is December 31st, so when am I setting it up? So I'm picking today's date, right, as my opening balance. Then, which account holds the value of your inventory? Take note, in your chart of account, you always have the inventory ledger. Depending on what you are using, your kind of business, you could have an inventory ledger for just your stock if you just operate a one stock system. Now, if you have multiple stocks that are segregated in different categories, you can have a single inventory ledger to accommodate all of them. But I always recommend that for the purpose of clarity and reconciliation issues, it is always better to have different sectors or different segments of your inventory in different ledgers. So in this case, I'm having you can have a single ledger or multiple ledger accounts, like I mentioned. So in this case, I'm selecting a single account, which is the inventory account. So take note, in your ledger, you must always have your inventory account. All right. Then you now have to download this template, and you have to populate the template. This import is limited to a maximum of 4,000 lines. Once you do that, then you come here to upload. Now let's go. I'm downloading this. All right, it's downloaded already. So I'm going to open the file. So let me open the file so that we can see what we have as the template. All right, this is the template that we are looking at. We have item code, we have item name, the inventory asset account, the quantity on hand, the total value, then the adjustment account. All right, so let me use this information I have here. Let me see. These are all services. These are all services. Okay, I have another file I can use. Open. Okay, let me use this file, this pharmacy file. Okay, so in this case, this is a pharmaceutical. Okay, so what I'm doing is I am okay, so I'm taking these items. Let me just take just these very few items that has quantity and the price and everything. Okay, so I'll put it right here. Okay, so all right, so let me put it in here so that I can know what I'm including. All right, so I have the code, so I'm taking so I'm taking this line. All right. Okay, so the item name is going to be the same. mm, Same. In some instances, you can have your item name different from your item code. It's a matter of choice and mostly organizational policy. All right. So I'm taking this off. Then I'm also putting in okay, this is the inventory asset account. So I'm removing this quantity on hand. I'm adding quantity on hand. Then this is the value on hand, is the market value, and this is cost price. Okay, so this is the price. So I'll do a quick add maths here. So this equals I'm just trying to prepare my template. So this is this times the quantity, so I can have the value. Okay, so I'm doing drop down for that, so I can pick up this value and bring in the value here. Fine. So the only things that are left that has not been added is the inventory assets account. Okay, so now let's see what is the inventory asset account. Take note, the inventory asset account in this case is what 630 inventory. The inventory code is 630. All right, so I'm imputing that here. Okay. The adjustment account also, let's see what's the adjustment account. I should be able to see if I have any inventory adjustment account. Mostly an inventory adjustment account is in some cases it's an expense. Let's see, inventory adjustment, excuse me. Okay, now for purpose of training, let me pick the same, yeah, the same ledger. Okay, so this is my file. So I'll pick this. Now take notes, it's not supposed to, it's just a single account, so it's not multiple accounts, so it's the same account. All right, so I'm putting the same thing here. All right, so now I have my Excel template. Now, will it accept a CSV template? Let me see the template we have been using. This is, let's save it. It's a CSV template. So let me save it where in a location where I can easily pick it up. So I'm putting it on my desktop. All right, then I'm closing this. So the next thing is for me to browse and import it. It's on my desktop, and that's it. Inventory opening balances. I'm clicking on that, and next is to click on continue. Okay, there's error 16 errors. It says that my adjustment account code 630 inventory does not match any existing accounts. Okay. Okay, so let me go back to check my inventory, my chart of accounts to see if I have. Okay, let me go to my charts. When your template does not conform with what you have, you always have such. Okay, under assets, I have inventory 630. Okay. I think what I would do now is I'll just use the names. Okay, so I'll just open this up. Fine. So instead of having, I'll just put 630. Yeah, because that's a code. Okay, so I'll put the same thing here. Okay, fine. Save. Okay, saved. All right, so let's go back to business. Then you're clicking on products and services. Import opening balances. Okay, single account. Going down, browse. Okay, let's see. Inventory is not a tracked inventory item. Yeah, those items have not been tracked. Okay, so let's see. Let's go back. Manage tracking items. Add tracking category. Okay, let me use an item here that is on this list. For example, this QuickBooks Enterprise software. It's already a tracked item, I believe. Let me see. Okay, there's already a tracked item. So all I would do is I would just the code is 001 and the name is this. Okay. Yeah, so trying to copy this. I'll go back to my template. This time around, I want to remove all these items. Uh, okay, this is item 001. Is it? How many zeros? QuickBooks Enterprise Software. Okay, that's 3 zeros. QuickBooks Enterprise Software. Quantity is 10. This. All right, so let me just give it a shot. All right, so my desktop, saving, yes, and go back, import opening balances. Okay, then browse, continue. Item is not a tracked inventory. Not tracked. Okay, so let's get it tracked. Okay, so I'll go back to this and click on product and services. Okay, now let me see if I can edit this to achieve what I want to achieve. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, and then let me edit item. So let's see. Okay, track. Yes. So that's it. Track inventory item. So once you check this track inventory item, then the system will be able to track the plus minus movements of that item. And you can have as much as 4,000 products that you can put in there. So which means in effect that before you can do such an upload, it is important for you to have created the item beforehand so that you will have tracked the item before. Okay, so let's put in yes, upload. Good. Oh, something went wrong. Okay, let's close this page and let's go back to products and services. Opening balance. Okay, browse. Yes, continue. Oh, item code cannot be changed. What error is that again? Okay, so let's open it up again. Edit. Okay, before I click on edit, I'm trying to see some things here. Now I can realize this was not there before, so let's edit item. Yes, tracked. Items can't be untracked once they appear on a transaction. This includes the opening balance and adjustment review. Yes. Purchase. Yes. Cost of goods sold. Yes. Description. Yes. Sell. Yes. Sales. I'm just trying to ensure. Okay. So let's click on save. Okay. So let me try for the last time. Item code cannot be changed. So let's go back to the XERO template. Oops. Yeah. This cannot be changed. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay. So we should have a smooth ride right now. Yes, we should have a smooth ride right now. So I'll upload it again. Okay, so what is the code? This is item code 0001. Now this is, let's look at it again. Okay, why is it not adding up here? Okay. Oh, okay. 1. Okay. So you can see some of the pitfalls which you have to be careful of. All right. I think we are good to go. So all I need to do is go back to products and services, click on imports, opening balances, and let's see how it goes. All right, so I'm uploading my templates. Let's go. Yes, now you can see. I just imported the opening balances. As your total value is this balance after import before. So complete the import. Yes, and you can see the quantity is already there. Once you open up the system, you can always see what the value of that item is. Now you can see the quantity plus 10 and everything. So that's how that's what you do to bring in opening balances for quantities and also for values. Thank you so much.